In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail labels in an ultimate guide. Organizing your Gmail inbox with labels is a fantastic way to stay on top of your emails and keep everything neat and tidy. So let's dive right in. First things first, you need to open Gmail on your browser. Once you're logged in, look at the left panel of your screen. You might have to scroll down a bit, but you'll find the option More. Clicking on More will expand the menu to show additional options. When the menu expands, locate and click the Create New Label link. This is where you can start organizing your emails into categories. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your new label. Choose something that makes sense to you, like work, bills, or perhaps travel. Feel free to be as specific as you need, and when you're satisfied with your label name, go ahead and click Create. That's it, you've just created your first label. Next, let's talk about adding labels to emails. You have a couple of options here. The first option is while you're reading an email. Open an email that you'd like to label. At the top of the email, click the vertical three dots to open a menu. From there, select Label As. You can then choose from existing labels or create a new one if necessary. Alternatively, if you're in the inbox view and would like to label multiple emails at once, simply select the checkbox next to the email or emails that you wish to organize. Just like before, click on the vertical three dots at the top, select Label As, and choose or create the appropriate label. This method is particularly useful for organizing multiple emails in a flash. Now on to nesting labels, which allows you to create sub-labels under a main label for an even more organized system. Start once again by selecting Create New Label and give it a name, but this time check the option Nest Label Under. Here you'll choose a parent label to place your new label under, and just like that you've nested your labels, creating a hierarchy that makes email management much easier. Finally, let's add some color to your labels for better visual organization. Hover over any label in the left menu, you'll see three dots appear next to it. Click these dots and select Label Color. You can pick from the predefined colors or even add a custom one if you like. And there you have it. You've got all the tools you need to start using Gmail labels to keep your email inbox in check. Take some time to explore and experiment with these features to see what works best for you. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.